Home HVAC Services Group proudly provides expert heating and cooling services to homeowners and businesses throughout Phoenixville, Pennsylvania and the surrounding Chester County communities. With a commitment to quality workmanship, dependable service, and customer satisfaction, our licensed HVAC technicians deliver reliable solutions for every season. Whether you need air conditioning installation, furnace repair, heat pump services, indoor air quality improvements, or routine HVAC maintenance, our team has the experience and expertise to keep your home comfortable year-round. Call us if you have any questions. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services Group. What HVAC services do you provide in Phoenixville, PA? Home HVAC Services Group offers a full range of heating and cooling services, including air conditioning repair, furnace repair, HVAC installation, heat pump services, system replacements, preventative maintenance, indoor air quality solutions, and emergency HVAC repairs. How often should I schedule HVAC maintenance? We recommend scheduling professional HVAC maintenance twice a year, once in the spring for your air conditioning system and once in the fall for your heating system. Regular maintenance helps improve efficiency, extend equipment life, and reduce the risk of costly repairs. What is your service area for the Phoenixville, Pennsylvania service office? Our HVAC contractor has served Phoenixville, Montclair, Wayhill, Bertrandville, Kimberton, Oaks, Arcola, Royersford, Valley Forge, Wilbourn Acres, Spring City, Chesterbrook, Parker Ford, Abbey Downs, Audubon, Pennsylvania. Where is your Phoenixville, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 710 Wheatland Street, Phoenixville, Pennsylvania 19460. Our phone number is 610-601-6106. Visit our website, www.homehvacservicesgroup.com/locations/Phoenixville-PA.